What up? What up, Tris? What up, Reese? Bro. What up, Jip? Jip, Jip. Yo, learn. What's cracking? I was literally working on this freaking stuff. Oh, shit. What time is it? Tell me what time is. It's Celsius time. Boom, 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 boom. Yo, new computer. Comes in an hour or two. No more old computer. Yo, yo, yo. What up? Oh, you want me to start it up? What up, Sean? Get this party going. Ooh, baby. Dude, I just got a mom that texted me just asking if it's too hot for softball practice. It's going to be 82 and we're going to be at the beach. What up, River? Oh my God. Oh, I can feel that Celsius all the way down to my pecker. Oh, that's good. Yo, UPS man, where the fuck are you at? Bro, too hot. The high of the day is only 90. If it was 90 at practice time, we're still fucking practicing. But it's going to be like 85 probably, and we're going to be at the beach. Get the fuck out of here! Too hot. Yo, Cindy, I was like, I don't even know what to respond back. I was like, see you at practice. Thumbs up. Yo, it's only an hour practice also, and I don't even run them, which is the craziest part. I'm not even running them. Google AI mode queries have more than doubled every quarter since launch. Oh, jeez. Vance, I think Iran wants to make a deal, but we won't know until we sign the deal. AI has Google introduces new AI plans. Mama never played sports. Yeah. I still play sports. I'll be out there playing 95 on fucking turf while pitching. No, and I'm fucking 43. No one gives a shit about how hot it is. My sliding shorts will be freaking soaked. No one cares. Hello, Marie. Yeah. Bro, and the best part is it's not only going to be 85, but we're going to be at the beach. So there's going to be a nice breeze. I was like, I don't even know. Oh shit. Oh shit. You see what I got on my screen? I'm working on this. But it's going to add inversions and breakers. It's going to be a all in one. Look, you got bullish breakers, bearish breakers. You could turn it off, you could turn it on. I can extend the breaker as long as I want. It should see how now it extends all the breakers further if you wanted to. It's kind of your call. I kind of liked it like maybe at like 30. Um, I might have them disappear also. I might make that disappear after X amount of breakers are made. Also, I am working on this. It doesn't it has the majority of them. Yo, you like that, Sean? Yo, if you guys like this shit, here, I'm Yo, what's up? Who just subscribed? I am going to this I'm putting this out for free if you want it, by the way. How can I get this? I got to move this link over. Um, probably, probably. You know, obviously you could set the sessions, the colors, minimum gap ticks. Um, I'm probably gonna add a couple other bells and whistles in it, but I'm gonna give it to for free if you guys want it. I am trying to figure out how I can do that right this second. I don't know why I can't get to it. Oh, here we go. Oh, here, this is it. Products. All right, I'm gonna put the link in the Discord. Actually, no, I'll just put it right here. I'm loading it up. It's not fucking loaded up yet. So don't. It's not loaded up yet. I'm gonna end up loading it up probably tonight. But I'll give you the link now. I'll take a copy, make it shareable, and then add our TV usernames. I even got one that's easier than this. Mr. Jones. This is the easiest thing. I have it's free. I'm not charging anybody, but it has all the indicators I made in there. Yo, what up, P-Long? All the indicators I've made are in there pretty much. Well, there's 3 of them so far. I got to add more, but you'll have access to all of them. Otherwise, dude, it's such a pain in the ass adding people one by one by one. And I don't want to make it shareable to anybody outside the community, to be honest with you. I'm trying to just, I'm trying to just keep it for this is what's going to happen. Somebody's going to take the code, and then they're just going to go sell it for fucking $20 a month or something like that. And I would rather just give it to free for everybody. That's it. Honest. I'd rather it be for the community, for the hangout, and just increase the value of the community. What up, Hector? But if you want any bells and whistles added to this, let me know and I'll do it. But yeah, it's got breaker blocks. Yo, what up, Moneymaker? Well, you know what? I saw somebody have a similar thing and they're charging people for it. And I'm not into charging people for fucking shit that you can get for free. We back, Toes. We back. That's all. I'm going to try loading it up tonight. There's a couple things that I kind of want to change on it, or more like add to make it cooler. And if I can get it right, if I can get it to work how I want it, it'd be, woo. But yeah, I've been trying to do exactly this for a little bit because it's kind of what I'm using. Like, these are the levels that I use. Session lows, session highs, week lows, week highs. I should add midnight open. I just put the link in here, dude. It's free. Scroll up. I just put, here you go, Hector. It's free for the community. I will have it. I will have it. It's not loaded up in there. It will be loaded up by tonight. You have the link. But yeah, I've seen a lot of things with this of people selling it and whatnot. I'm going to add midnight open on this. I think that would be one that a lot of people would want to see. I think that's the last big one is midnight open. And then once it's hit, you could just come on here and check it off for the day. What's up, Happy? Midnight open retracement from above. What do you want? Like how many points it's above? Dude, just trading. I ended up making one trade during lunchtime. I ended up passing a Tradeify account. I think that's the only trade I took. No, I lost a couple $100 here. Maybe I took two trades. Maybe this trade, and I traded. I like Midnight Open. It's something I want to add on it. I think it should be on it. I 1,000% think it should be on it. But yeah, it retraces a lot. But I always forget to put the indicator on, so now I won't have to forget. This shit's not gonna come down. Was it 96 and 93? I just want to see what my copy trader says. Is 51 on here? Oh, retracement up from below is not as high. Oh, so from above back down is. So for it to come back down is a higher percentage. Yeah, I mean, there's hourly sweep one also I was trying to build. I don't know if you use this, but if it sweeps in the first 20 minutes of the hour, that wasn't that. I have a bunch that were just kind of fucked. I might have gotten rid of it. It just wasn't working correctly. Yeah. But yeah, I'm going to fix it in a little bit. There's a stat where, like, if you sweep the previous hour low or high from like 8 in the morning to like 11 in the first 20 minutes, the odds of it coming back to hourly open are like super high. Yeah, on NQ. But it's like from like 8 in the morning to like 11 in the morning are like the highest percentages. Is that not going to get me? Come on, dude. Come on, we're right there. Yeah, PG. You have you seen that guy? Probability Chris or NQ Stats. It's the same guy. I was trying to make a couple scripts based off his thing. Some girl Jen built one that's pretty close. I don't know if you've seen it. Have you seen that before I pull it up? What's up, AD? I'm trying to scalp this shitbag market real quick. Come on. How far did it miss me on this? Oh, no fucking way. Oh, I got missed by one tick. That's one tick. That's so stupid. That's so stupid. That might be the stupidest thing ever. One tick? How do you miss me by one tick? But yeah, if you want, this girl Jen makes a probability script that has a bunch of stuff in it for Ninja, for TradingView. I can't believe I didn't get filled on that. Oh, man. Anybody get filled on that? Anybody? No, I'm not using Claude. I'm using Chat. So I come up with ideas that I want, and I use Chat GPT for the most part. Obviously, I go back and forth times. Um, in the very beginning, it was harder. Now, Chat GPT, because it's kind of personalized, knows what I kind of want, which is so crazy. So like I don't really need to enter that many prompts now. Um I don't really need to enter that many prompts for it to give me what I want, which is so ridiculous. But it's because I built so many of them, all these scripts, a lot of these are scripts I built, plus ones that I just never used. Um, but yeah, I was just using ChatGPT's paid version, whatever the paid version is. Some of these are shit though. Like this one's a shit. Some of them I just kind of was like, I was playing around with it and I just couldn't get it to work, and then I would just stop. Like this was a scalping one. Like this isn't terrible, and I didn't even mess with the settings yet. But then you go and you gotta mess with the settings. Um, basically it's scalping. It's scalping fib retracements back and forth uh, over time. Yes, I am going to play it with evals. 1,000%. That's the only thing I'd play it with. What's up, Maria? Navid, it's tomorrow. It's tomorrow. But I made orb strategies. I got to play around with this one. So this is an orb strategy. It does the 5, 15, 60, and basically it's a percent of the orb for TP and stop loss and whatnot. I got a bunch of scripts I made. I mean, I'm just slowly giving them out for free. Like if you want any, I just put them out there. This one was really good until it wasn't anymore. This one was crushing it on the ES. It's based off tick data also. Tick and a couple other things. Tick is the buying or selling pressure. I have that in that Whoop link, Chris. That Whoop link has access to that Whoop link has access to everything. I'll show you what it looks like. Because I think I believe all you do is you put your no, I put the link in here where you find them. Yo, Whoop is like brand new to me. I've never used this shit before in my life. Once you go to that, it has products in it. There's the link. It should have products inside it. So basically you go there and I'll show you what it looks like. If I can, I finally found the freaking area. It's going to look like this. Oh. Dude. Let me look. I'm going to do it on my own. Let's see what happens. I'm going to join for free. Let's see what happens. So you join for free. and it should bring you to an area to claim all of them. Bro, are you kidding me? Bro, I just set this up the other day. Oh, bro, you gotta. That's so crazy. Because I see it all. This is why I don't do projects. This is why I don't do. Yo, every time I do a fucking project, I get caught up in. Yo, Fred, Coach Fred, getting paid. Hold on. I can't even pick that up. I think I know who it is, though. Boom. Yo, I don't know why it's not there. Yo, now it works. I just said it. I had to reactivate it. So this is what it should look like. Go to it now. Go to the Whoop. Go to the Whoop Whoop I just sent you to. And you should see it. Bro, that's fucking crazy that happened. So stupid. Go to it right now, whoever wanted access to it. I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is why I can't. Yo, so basically you're going to go to this page. You're going to join. You're going to join. I joined. Then after you join, yeah, after you join, it's going to look like this. And then you basically just claim access. So this is the chop. One of them is the chop indicator. This is the chop one. This is the orb strategy where you break out of the orb, and then this is the reclaim where it comes back through the orb. And that's where I'm going to load them all up in. I can't believe this missed me by one tick. All I know is don't ever say that Cove does not take time out of his day to help you out. Try asking some of these other fucking guys to take time out of their day to give you something for free. Ain't happening. Oh my God. They might just pin it at 29,000. I don't know. They might just pin it. Coast. Yo, what happened, Happy? What did I miss? What? Anyone ask something while I was trying to fix this? More funded account now. $500 funded though. Yo, Coach Fred getting a payout. Payout. Pay. But yeah, starting tonight. Oh my god, I can't wait. I'm gonna go down the fucking AI rabbit hole. I'm going down the AI butthole. We'll see what happens. Sir. But yeah, I'm going to load up this Cove Trader Levels 1. What's up, Tim? I'm going to use Claude, Codex, most likely. Seems like Claude's the favorite, but Sean said Codex is better. I need to just build out the foundation, and then after that, I can start digging around with a lot of other things. My plan is to kind of make something for futures and then options and stocks. So it would be like 3 different things running. Yeah. I feel like stocks is going to be, I think they all have their own issues. Stocks, I think, is going to be a little bit easier because it's going to be like companies that are growing and this and that. Like I have parameters. It's less technical, more parameters, while futures is going to be very much like indicators and things like that. I don't know. I think futures is going to be a bigger problem. But I'm going to make videos about, like, not about every single aspect of it, but I'm going to make videos about the foundation of it, and then you kind of do what you want with it. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not going to do it where I'm just like, oh, here's all my code, guys, and just hit the button and it's ready to go. Like, but I'll provide enough information. Like, so I was using TradingView to auto trade right now. Like, currently, I have built certain indicators that I like, and then I basically use webhooks. This one's not even a strategy. So here, I'll load up a strategy, right? So here's a strategy, and then basically you add alerts, and then I use webhooks to send a notification. And then I put the notification in here. And then that triggers NinjaTrader to auto trade for me. So I can auto trade right now TradingView to Ninja, which is not very complicated to set up. This strategy is not bad, by the way. Everyone sleeps on this. Let me just look real fast. I think the settings were something like this. Yo, look at that shit. There you go. Look at that. It's not it's not terrible. That's just off the cuff. There's probably better settings. But this is in the Whoop, by the way. This thing is in the Whoop. Just an FYI. Boom, Fred. Yo, soon they're going to push you live. Yo, they might push you live before you even request that 1400. They'll just be like, nah, he's not getting 1400. You're going live, baby. You'll be Coach Fred live. It's so far from my tuition. Yeah. I feel like out of all of them, Apex is the one that people spend the most money on because they YOLO the most amount of accounts with them. Like, I'm not YOLOing fucking take profit trader accounts. But man, when it comes to Apex, I will YOLO the shit out of those. Especially when they were like $20. Man, I was going to town on those bad boys. I was abusing it. Uh, Yo, what up, Tech? They're like cheap, straight to funded. They're like freaking M&Ms. Yo, what up, Raul? What day is today? Bro, you missed out on Motorboating Monday. We have Motorboating Monday. We got Camel Toe Tuesday. I love Motorboating Monday. That might be my new favorite one. We do the boat races. Yo, that's so funny. Come on, come down, baby. Kamala Toe Tuesday? What? Bro, you're going to get me canceled. I'm going to get canceled over that. Come on, come down and get my orders. I am freaking waiting for you. Camel Toe Tuesday. Come on, it's going to flash down is what's going to happen. Come on, baby.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
By the way, the reason I take 50, 60 bucks is because I'm doing it in 15 accounts. Just an FYI. That and the real fib is actually all the way down at 82 and 78. So we can easily keep selling down. So all I'm looking for is a quickie back up. You also have the 50% here at 91.8. So not only did I have a little fib, right in here at 93.1, I got the 50% retracement at 91.6. So that's why I'm confident where I can get, I could probably get, I don't know, $2-3 on gold here.
Order filled.
So I felt pretty confident about that. So that's why I took that play. Yeah, well, that's what I'm saying is you don't need to make a lot. Like, man, it's so fucking like, I try to tell people, like, if you're trading like gold, like right now, 4 micros could be $140, right? You do that once or twice a day and you're fucking done. Like, you don't need to do a lot. Everyone wants to buy up here and just fucking hold it forever and be like, oh, you don't need that much. You just need to know where to buy. And another thing that I like when we drop and we start, look at this purple line, right? Gold retraces back to this purple line. It's the 9 moving average, right? Majority of the time, it comes back. So when you get these drops, it comes back to the 9. You got to remember, this isn't the stock market. This is a fucking gold. You know what I mean? Like it's gold. It's not a bunch of stocks. So a lot of the times it goes back and forth, back and forth. So all you're doing is you're catching it on a drop into the fib retracement, playing it back to the mean reversion, which is the 9. It's super simple. It's the easiest fucking concept that I could think of. The last time I was red on this was 4 weeks ago, I think. 3 weeks ago. The only reason I'm red is because I play the NQ. Passing an eval, I got a bunch of. You want me to pass an eval? I don't know what you want, Hector. I passed one today. I think what you see on your screen is not what I see on my screen. See, this is what my Ninja Trader looks like. There's a bunch of funded accounts in there. Oh, yeah. So I'm going to be real with you. Like, 140 is not going to cut it. You're going to have to make about $300 a day. So you're going to have to do that about twice. Or you, like I did, I bought, so that's $72. So this is about $180 right here. You only need like one other trade and you're making 300. You're going to pass in 10 trading days. I think the problem is, so this is really what I tell people. In this industry, fast is slow and slow is fast. And by me saying that, the faster you go, the more likely you blow the account and you're starting over. While the guy that's making $200, $300, maybe $400 a day is just going to freaking keep chipping away and he's not going to blow his account, because if he's only making $400 a day, he might, if he takes a red day, maybe it's $200-300, but it's not going to blow the account. So he's constantly chipping away, and he's not restarting, and then he's going to pass the account. Yeah, I'm guessing you're playing big is the problem. That's why, like I was saying, like fast is slow is fast. Because if you're playing smaller, it's cheaper, and it's not going to, my problem is holding. Like if I held, obviously I could get more, but yeah, you did. Here's something for everybody in the chat. When's the last time you blew an account that you followed your strategy? You didn't revenge trade, right? You didn't revenge trade. You followed your strategy, and you were sized appropriately. You're probably going to say it never happened. I just played the 23 fib to the 38 fib on NQ. Oh, I agree with you on that. I agree with you on that, Tim. Yeah, well, I want to see you guys. One, I want to see you guys pass and get paid. Two, I don't want to see you spending a lot of money. But think about it. Never. I always ask people that. People are like, oh, I'm having such a rough time. I'm like, are you revenge trading? Are you following only your strategy? And are you sizing appropriately? And they're like, well. And I'm like, well, what, motherfucker? Like, if you're not doing it, that's why. I just chip away. Listen, I don't give a shit what other guys do. I would rather size up in multiple accounts than size up in contracts. Because if you size up in contracts, one bad trade can wipe the account away. If you size up with more accounts and still play smaller, you're not really going to get destroyed. Yo. Yeah, daily loss is good if that works for you. Well, that's what I'm saying, Hector. Is like, just go slow, man. There's no race. That's the problem, is like people try to be like other people. Like, oh, this guy on Twitter is doing this, and this guy's doing this. Or you look at me and it's like, oh man, he's doing this. Dude, you're on your own thing. Just stick to what's working for you. Like, don't start doing shit because I'm doing shit. Like, one account, trade it, get a payout, and then take the payout money, cover your expenses from the account, and then you can scale out. A lot of people aren't following their strategies. Like, if you take your time out and you've back tested your strategy, and then you forward tested it, and your strategy works, why would you not just stick to the strategy? Every once in a while, I do stupid shit. I can tell you that. I've done it today. But what I'll do is I don't copy trade it. I scale down. I use one eval, and that's it. While when I take my other trades, I think right now I'm in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Like right now, I'm in 14 accounts. So this trade is in 14 accounts. I think it was $50-something, $56 I think I made. What did I get? I bought 8 contracts. I don't even know what happened here. I hate how it gets divvied like that. But anyways. Also, you got to remember, as we get, there's certain times of the day that your strategy works. Like my strategy, After 3 o'clock, it gets less effective. So I basically right now, I'm probably gonna pack it away on copy trading 14 accounts unless I get into this big fib, which is 81 to 77. We come down here, I'll take it. Anything else, I'm only going to take one eval on. And that's how I manage my risk. Cove Trader. So I play so low, I barely make any trades. So sit and watch, too scared to lose. Yo, I'll be honest with you, you're over the buffer though. So you have 5 funded accounts that are over the buffer. Yo, if I were you, are you copy trading all 5 at the same time on TPT? Honestly, also like I'm listen, just trade one of them. So what I would do is I wouldn't even copy trade. I would trade one account, follow the strategy, and if that account hits for the day and you go up 100, 200 bucks, cap that account, go to the next account, and then at the end of the day, I would withdraw that 200 bucks. Yeah, I would do one account at a time, man. One account. Um, there's times of the days that strategies work and don't. If you guys don't know this, I've back tested it. Like, there's a lot of strategies that work great from market open to like noon, 1 o'clock. And then some of them work a little bit longer. 3 to 4 o'clock is not a great time. The worst time to trade is 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Almost no strategies work between that time. And the reason is there's no volume. Volume causes moves. So if you have no volume, you have no follow through. So I would never trade from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern time. Like gold for me works great. Maybe like 7:45 because it leads into Asia Open. And then all of a sudden it's good to like, man, you could trade gold all night pretty much, but I usually end around 10:30. Nah, so you don't. This is something people don't know about TPT. You can withdraw any amount of money from your account into your wallet. You only get the fee when you move it from your wallet to your bank account. But if you want, you can move $50 a day into your wallet, and you can still use those to buy accounts with, buy resets with. But it also takes the money out of your accounts. So in case the account goes bye-bye, you at least have money in the wallet for a new eval. I don't have an account. You give me funded, we split massive profits. Yo, 604% win rate. Yo, when you give me money, it'll come back 100x. Yeah, most people don't realize that. You don't need the 250. Just move it to your wallet. It won't cost anything. But yeah, I mean, guys, that's the biggest thing is just don't revenge trade, don't size up, follow the strategy. Now you got to remember, anyone sitting here watching, when you have a strategy that you follow, have you back tested it and have you forward tested it? If the answer is yes, then you know it wins X% of the time, and that's it. I put it like this. So I have an opening range strategy, right? I then have a money management strategy along with that. So I know the strategy hits 65% of the time. So it's a 1.5 to 1. So I can win 2 out of 3 times. If I win 2 times out of the week, it's 60 points in my pocket. And then I lose, it's 20, 20, 20. So I break even with a 40%, only winning 2 out of 3. The worst case scenario I've seen, it only hits once in the week. But if I lose 3 times in a row at 20, 20, 20, I then up the contracts from 2 to 3. And almost every time it's hit. And you're only losing 20 ticks on NQ. So you're not really getting that much. You're losing like $200 on 2 contracts. And then if you hit on the 3, it's $600. So it'll wipe out all the losses. And I've gotten a lot of payouts doing this. The problem I run into is Quant Tower has been delayed on my laptop recently. Yo, when you take a loss, you go down the rabbit hole? Yeah. I mean, you just got to know, hey, man, I know that I'm going to take losses. Nah, I play the opening range in the morning. Either the 5 or 15-second opening range. And I mix it with general bias and where we are. Using that strategy alone, Fidias pushed me live. I used to do it on Fidias. I got a bunch of payouts and then they pushed me live. The problem I run into is the connection on Bullnuts doesn't really work. I don't know why it's delayed every morning. And you can't do it with Apex because you can't bracket orders on Apex. So you're kind of limited to other accounts. But also, I have to trade. If I do those other accounts, you got to trade them on Quant Tower. And because my computer's shit, I got to load it up on my laptop. But after I plug in my new computer, I might just do it all on this computer. What up, Pen? But those are the constraints that on why I don't do it with all the accounts. Apex it won't work with, and Quant Tower has been delayed. Yo, I had a Fidias. I got a bad case of Fidias. I don't know why they came up with that name. What does that even mean, Fidias? Like, what is it actually? It's a ancient Greek sculptor, painter. Yeah. I don't know. They're a French company. I would think that they had, I don't know. I don't really know. The accounts are not bad. The accounts are not bad. I just, they pushed me live. I'm not even allowed to buy accounts. I'm banned from buying accounts. I wish I could buy accounts. But they were like, no, no fucking accounts for you. That kid looks like a cool guy if he didn't have that accent. I can't understand what he's saying, to be honest with you. He seems pretty cool. I just have no fucking idea what he's saying. I wish I knew. But you know what? Oh, you know what happens to your email? Because you're in that fucking Twitter spam box. That's the problem. Yeah, you're in that freaking Twitter box. Yo, my PC comes within the next 2 hours. Oh man, this thing looks like it's just gonna fucking dump out. This thing looks like it's gonna just dump out. We're gonna dick around here.
Order filled. Order filled.
What I say I want to I think 80 81. Let's see if it hits it. Nah, my new PC is gonna be here soon. I've decided I gotta go coach softball after this. And then I gotta go to my kid's science night, and then I'm gonna set up the computer. And I decided I'm not going to baseball tonight. I'm gonna set up my computer, and tomorrow's stream is gonna be on the new joint. I'm super excited. Should have no connectivity issues. I'm gonna have my Ninja Trader up on here, so like, it's so stupid. Like right now, I gotta be like, I'm gonna show you. It's so stupid. Like I can't bring my quant up here. Like I gotta show you a fucking screenshot from my laptop. I gotta be like, hey, look at my accounts. Like I'm gonna have all this live on the right, which is gonna be so much nicer. Plus, the AI screen behind me will just be black again. Um, yeah, like all the cool stuff will be back. Yeah, come on. But yeah, so it says it's gonna be here between 3:30 and 5:30. So we're gonna see what happens. But what I really want to do, this is gonna sound crazy. So I'm going to set up all the AI systems on my computer, and then I'm going to send webhooks into Discord. So I'm going to have, I want the AI, I want the AI to be running and scanning stocks and creating a stock portfolio, and all the alerts will go in through Discord. So you could kind of see it in Discord if you want. Same thing with like future alerts and maybe some other things. I don't know. I'm definitely going to put the stock and options alerts in Discord because I think that would be cool. I don't know if I'm going to do the futures ones only because by the time people see it, it's probably going to be delayed and shit like that. And I don't really want this to be like an alert style channel. But it would be cool for like stocks and stuff. It doesn't really matter if you see it now or in 10 minutes from now or half hour from now. But I'm going to have like a Claude or Codex managed account. And I'm going to put real money in there and we're going to watch to see if it grows. Yo, if you're in this, take it if you like it. Take it if you like it.
Order filled.
Smash the freaking confetti. Oh, baby. Look at that. Bro, fucking gold is so good. Oh my god, I can't believe how good gold is. I don't know. Gold doesn't do me wrong like the NQ. I don't know how to say it. I don't know what else to say. Gold treats me right. Gold listens to me. Gold doesn't have a headache or a stomach ache at night. Oh. Yo, I'm telling you, if this hits 82, I'm buying it. Dude, NQ just does me so bad. Lolly, NQ is a poor mistress. It's so bad. NQ, you've done me so wrong. Holy shit. Oh, oh, am I in it? Oh, I got stopped out. Look at that shit. That was awesome. I'm still in 5 micros at my stop is at 490.1. 5 micros are left. I just got stopped out. Yeah, Coop. Also, you got to remember, like, you're obviously pressing it. You're obviously trading much more aggressively than the account warrants. That if it goes the opposite way, the account's gone. Like, but you have to trade like that to win. I'm just saying that's why you don't trade normally like that. If your drawdown is $2,000 and you're making $3,000 in one day, you're obviously trading way harder. Hold on. The fuck? Why do people just keep calling me, bro? $81.77. So wrong. NQ, you've done me so wrong. It's kind of cool just to have practice it. Yeah, I'm with you. Yo, DBT, are you on voice here? So I can just talk to you about it or no? Are you not going to come down? What's up, Van? Come on down, baby. Yo, DBT, you here? Probably not. Trading game. Whoop, whoop. Oh, my fucking alarm won't stop beeping. Did this thing just fucking stall out? Damn. Come on. I need $52 in this account to go green on, and then I'll have one red account all day. Only one red account all day. All because I played pre-market like a loser. Like a loser playing pre-market. I couldn't help myself. I just couldn't help myself. I had to play pre-market. Like pre-market as in like 7 minutes before the market opens. Stupid. Mediators see little progress. Oh my God. Mediators see little progress in Iran US talks. Iran position in talks with the US to end the war hasn't changed much from earlier. Regional mediators and US official familiar with the term said, raising questions about whether an off ramp to the conflict can be found. Basically, Trump called off military strikes for Tuesday. Mediators said Iran continues to insist on an end to hostilities, financial relief, reparations for war damage, and a role overseeing the strategic strait. Damn. Oh, you blew one pre-market? I never make money pre-market, but it was there and I fucking did it anyways. Oh man, US seized Iran-linked oil tanker in Indian Ocean. According to 3 US sources, an Iran-linked oil tanker was intercepted in the Indian Ocean overnight as President Trump threatened to resume military strikes on Iran. The US sanctioned the tanker known as the Skywave in March for its role in delivering Iranian oil. Ship tracking data showed it was traveling just west of Malaysia on Tuesday after crossing the Malacca Strait. The ship was most likely loaded with more than 1 million barrels of crude that Iran's Karg Island in February, according to brokers and Lloyd's listers. Yeah. Trump's like, I'll take that oil. Hold on, I gotta hit this thing. I'm gonna just get myself water too. I gotta hit my alarm real fast. Yo, you know what we need? I know what we need. Ready? Numbers game to see who goes straight to the camel toe. Go for it, baby. Go for it. Woo! Ooh, who's going to get it? Straight to the camel toe we go. Damn, some people close. Ooh, somebody's real close. Oh, they're right there. Oh, man. Yo, it's 50 to 100. Oh, somebody just got it. The number's 52. I think Crazy Chris just got it. 52. Let me just see real fast. Control F 52. I think Crazy Chris is Oh no, dude, Sean, you did it? Damn, Sean, you did it. Dude, that was a lot of numbers before you got it, though. Well, Sean, straight to the camel toe you go. Don't worry, Sean C has the worst win rate possible in the final, so you guys are all safe to win. You got 52. Where'd you go, Tech? Yeah, I see when you did it, but you weren't the first. Crazy Chris was before you, and then Sean was before him. It's one man to the camel toe. Look up. Dude, I have Sean and Crazy Chris above you. Am I missing it? Does anybody else see it? Anyone else seeing it? Yeah, Sean was first. Yeah. Everybody has a different order. There's definitely Reese only sees Sean. Yeah. So what happens is because it comes in so fast, everyone sees it a little bit different. So we can only go off one computer. And if we go off one computer, whose computer? I can send a screenshot what it looks like. I don't care. If anybody ever wants one. But yeah. Oh yeah, you got to go to live chat. You got to go to live chat. Can't go to top chat. Yeah, believe me, I would never cheat, because if you cheat once, then the whole thing becomes that you cheated. And I'll give you a little example of that. Do you think I'll ever fucking believe who Brian Stonk is? No. Brian Stonk has cheated not once, but twice. One time he lumped his affiliate commissions with his trading gains and was telling everybody how much money he made when he was lumping both of them together, which was a lie. And then he came out and told everybody he mastered gold and silver, and really he was churning and burning accounts on silver, and that's why he can't trade at Apex. He got kicked off Apex. He got kicked off Apex. His code got kicked off Apex, and his code got kicked off Take Profit Trader. The only way you do that is if you're doing things you shouldn't be doing. And he blatantly lied to everybody. Once you lie to somebody, all trust is broken. I will never believe anything he says in a million years. Not only that, if you hang out with him, you're probably doing shit you shouldn't be doing also. Hate to break it to you. If I lived at a house, think about it. If any of you guys lived at a house, think about it. If you lived at a house with one of your boys or two of your boys, and one of them was making a ton of money doing something, do you think you would ask him what you're doing? Probably. And if he showed you, the odds are you're probably going to do it, right? Odds are you're probably going to do it. It's just what it is. If your boys are making money and they tell you what it is, you're probably all going to do it. They probably all did the same shit Brian was doing. That's just, listen, when you hang out with people that are doing shit you're not supposed to, you're probably going to end up doing shit you're not supposed to. So I trust zero of any of those guys say. Yo, no more choking chickens over there? All right, I'll see you tomorrow, Maria. And that's it. And if you believe anything they say, that's fucking on you. Hate to say it. That's the best way to put it, guys. Once trust is fucking done, that's it. It's over. Yo, STFU, what's up, man? You don't say what's up? Just put in the code 1,000 times. Say what's up, man. It's not letting you in because there's probably no points because you probably used all the points up. You got to be on the stream for. That's how we stop the scammers from coming in with like 35 YouTube accounts. Yeah, I know. I know, Wicked. But yeah, it gives points to people that are on the stream. So it's the only way that I can stop people. So if you don't come on the stream and you just put the code in, you're gonna run out of points, and then it won't enter it. Just keeping it real. Yeah, if you're brand new, I think it's like 15 minutes. That's it. It's just 15 minutes. It's not a lot. You just got to be on the stream for 15 minutes to possibly win an account. I try to give back to the community. Honestly, I try to give back to the community. So if you're not on for like 15 minutes in a day, I mean, that's not a lot of time. You know how fast 15 minutes goes? Like, if you're trading, you're definitely on the charts for more than 15 minutes. And if you don't want to hang out, it's fine. You don't have to hang out here. But I try to give back to the people that want to hang out. That's all. Oh, don't gamble. Oh, you gambled and won? Jeez, don't gamble. A lot of people have lost in the Cove Casino. You gamble and then it's done. Uh-oh, Cam just lost. Don't do it, Reese. Boom. Don't do it. It's not worth it. Yo, Sean, so I made it harder because what would happen is the scammers would come in, they would get like 5 points, and then they would just gamble, turn 5 points into like 150 points, and then they would just come in for 2 seconds every day, put the code in and leave. That was like their scam. So I have since changed it to not that easy. So the scammers can't just do it. Yeah, points just accumulate over time. Watch, go, John, go exclamation point points. It's just to enter the duck race. There's nothing else. John, you got points. Watch, do exclamation point points. Don't gamble. Oh my God. John, you got 41 points. You're probably in the duck thing and you don't even know it. But yeah. For options trades, DGen's gone well. Dude, I told you not to gamble him, Reese. That's like I told you not to hang out. I told you not to hang out with Tori's uncle. Come on, let's get a big fucking... I'm not copy trading this, but I'll play it in this account because the last 15 minutes of the day, you can just get a straight sell-off with no bounce. Yo. Whoa, welcome to the stream. What up, George? Oh, George McTavish. Yo, I think I got that one. I think I got it. George McTavish. Mick Tavish. I'm yeah. What up, Mick? Yo, what's weird is it says Ed Bogus on your thing though. I see Ed Bogus. Oh no. No, Tori's in here. Oh no. Yeah. Don't do it. It's all in the whoop. It's all in the whoop whoop. Here, I put it in the stream. PG, if you have the whoop, you have access to all of them. There's the whoop. It's free. It's just easy. It's one. I don't have to put anybody's username in there. It just automatically, they handle it all. The only one it costs money to is me. I literally have to pay to give people free shit now. Whoop is not available in your region. Are you on the moon? What region are you in? WAP. WAP, baby. I love when it bounces off WAP. It's not in India? Bro, you guys are killing me. I got tired of copying. The Lucid giveaway? Yeah, Lucid giveaway is still going on. You want the link to that? Here's the Lucid giveaway. Oh, man. It's a compressed file? No, you should just be able to click on it and claim access. PG. It should give you auto access to it on TradingView. Are you shitting me? Can you send me a screenshot of what it looks like? Rock Drigo? Bro, if that's not... Bro, if that doesn't sound like a motherfucking porn name, I don't know what does. Tell me you do OnlyFans on the side. Rock Drigo. Bro, solid name. Solid name. Yo, PG, can you send me what it looks like? And I will edit it on my side. Bro. Welcome to the fucking stream, man. Welcome. Yo, PG, I set that up on Whoop to be automated. So I got to see what you see. And then I can fix it on my end. Bro, what a freaking name. I like this guy already. Well, we crushed it today. I'm going to risk So I have this red account and I'm down $52. I have to risk to go green. I have to.
Order filled. Order filled.
Fuck it, right? Come on. Come on. I just want to turn green. I want to make accounts green again. Oh, just fucking do it. Oh, please. Please, just go. Fucking do it. I'll have one red account. Two stiff Stanley? Oh, bro. Oh, I need 11 more dollars.
Order filled.
No! Oh, I need $24 now? Yo. Full porting is the only way? Dude, this thing's going to dump out. I could feel it in my sack that we're going to dump this out. Oh, man. I need $24 to go green in this one account. Other than that, all in, just press buy. Max cons full port. Bro. 6 minis for 1 point? Hey, you guys want to have fucking fun? Don't ever say I don't have fun. Oh, you can't do 10 minis anymore? Watch what fucking happens. Oh my God. Yo, there we go. Oh, baby. Don't fucking say who for the stream. Yo, I'm up now. I just made fucking $300. That's how easy it is. That's how easy it is. Yo, $300 fucking dollars real quick. For the stream. Yo, you guys, oh man, you guys don't even know. All right, I'm going to take this. I'm going to take this one. I'll just keep this one rolling. This thing drops down to 82. Well, you guys like that shit? A lot more where that came from. Tell grandma to come on. Yo. I just do it over and over now. Yo, I'll give you a little tidbit, Amar. We did a little thing. How many times I can get one tick. And on the second time, I got ticked in and it didn't even go one tick. I went back the other way and blew the account. I don't know if you guys remember that shit. But yeah, we were seeing how many times I can get one tick in a row. It was one. It was one. Or I think I moved it. I got one tick and I lost on commissions. I think I moved it to like, maybe I moved it to 2 or 3 ticks. And it got ticked in and just absolutely fucking reversed. It just literally backed the truck up the other way. I was like, no. Oh, man. Well, if nothing else changes, this is how I'm going to end my freaking day. See, starting tomorrow, I'll have all of this on the on this computer though. I can't run Ninja on this computer. I got my new computer coming. For anyone that's new, my new computer's coming today, and I'll be able to run all this shit live. But this is how I'm finishing off today. All in Bush. You will press buy. I'm not pressing anything right now. But yeah, this is. I have one red account. I hit the daily loss limit on my PA on Apex. Other than that, I passed an account today. I gained in funded accounts, and I want to say 95% of these trades were done live on YouTube here. So if you want to watch it, hit the subscribe button. Tell grandma and all your buddies to come in and hang out. I'm not going to try selling you anything. I don't sell you a multi-level marketing campaign. I don't sell you indicators. I don't sell you a Discord. It's all free. But yeah, that's pretty much how I finished today. Oh. Dude, this is going to get me right here. Press buy? What? I don't know. What do you want me to buy? Gold? Oh, yeah. We're going to hit him with that. Yo, I don't know what you want me to buy.
We did it. We did it, Joe.
The button, press buy button? I don't know. On gold? I'm just afraid that you guys are kind of getting tired.
We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore.
I mean, I don't know. You press, yo, like silver in December. I don't. I'm up a ton of fucking money today. I just risked it for the biscuit in front of everybody. Press buy button. Yeah, these are green means I'm buying it if it comes down there. Yo, Fred, I don't know what he wants me to do. What up, Elo? I'm not drifting. The only thing I'm doing is gold if it drops $4 more. Watch this thing just dump out here. Oh, there you go. You would have fucking slammed on the drift right there for like 20 points. Jeez. I'm not exactly sure what you want me to do. It's almost like when my wife is yelling at me to do things and I don't even understand what she wants me to do. I'm just trying to figure it out. She tells me to do like 1,000 things, and I don't know. What's up, Super Dave? Dude, that's a nice little inversion end of day on ES. Yo, Ron, because this stream is the fucking best stream and it's fun. I don't sit here being like,
Okay, guys. Well, I'm going to take this one trade and, we're just going to hold this. I'm looking for it to come down to here. And we just sit in silence.
yo, because it's fucking fun. Yo, Ron B, were you here when I just full ported? How does one find traders in my area? Honestly, the best place to find traders in your area is probably Backpage or Craigslist. Like if you're a casual trader, maybe you just look for like casual encounters with other traders. So you go into like casual encounters and see if anyone's casually hanging around. If you're looking for another guy trader, maybe just do like M4M, casual meeting and see what comes up is probably what I would do. That's probably the best way to meet another guy trader. Yo, Super Dave, M for MNQ. Bro, that's hysterical. Oh, shit. That's great. You got no one to hang out in? Yo, I got the solution for you. Here, you want to hang out after hours? Here. Here you go. And it's free. Come hang out in the Discord. It's free. If you guys want to hang out in real life, dude, I don't know. I got to ask, what state are you in? I don't even know your name. It just says XXMHRXX. It seems like you're looking for casual encounters. M for M poker. Indiana? I don't know, man. I don't know. Yo, M for MNQ is sketchy. I should freaking make one like that. All right. Just want to say today was freaking awesome. Another monster day in the fucking chat. If you got any questions about the strategy that I use, I'm not saying to use my strategy by any means. But if you guys got any questions, ask. I don't think I had a red day in like weeks. I don't know. I just keep hitting the base hits, baby. Cove Boiler Room. Jeez, J-Blab. Misconnections are all my FOMO trades. I'm going to get... Yo, you better freaking patent that thing. Spit on that thing. I'm going to get these duckies going. I got to go coach softball in a little bit. Yo, Red Day is tomorrow when I have all my accounts live on the screen. I'm telling you. I feel it. Yo, if you're brand new, you don't even know what today is. Today is Camel Toe Tuesday. Oh, man. Are we? I don't even know if it's still available. Who made it? Who made Camel Toe Tuesday? I think we lost it. Slip up and what? Say fuck at practice all the time. All the time. I am the king of dropping F-bombs at girls softball. By mistake, obviously, but you know. I have FX Replay, or I had it for a while. I don't play any of the things that they have on there, but I did have it for a while. Bro, I can't. Oh my God. Dude, I think we lost it. I think we lost it because he just posted the song and he didn't have like anything with it. Oh, man. I think we lost it. Oh, shit.
Camel Toe Tuesday, giveaway time. Camel Toe Tuesday, giveaway time. Lights on, charts up, the stream ignites. Welcome to the war room. Propfirm fight night. NQ candles flicker like a neon bar sign.
Camel Toe Tuesday. Dude, the beginning makes it for me.
I woke up early, charts on glow. Cove at the stream, like I see where this goes. Daily giveaways, rolling poker night on deck. Cowboy in the future pig, cash on every check. Beginners to the best, grinding at that edge. Cove riding charts like a rodeo, bull never hedge.
The rest of it's okay. We're gonna race a couple times. Camel Toe Tuesday. The rest of it, I don't know. Order filled, order filled. It's okay. Order filled.
Oh no.
Not as good as this one.
Sean C caused this. So here we are.
Raul! Yo, rule number 1 to duck racing. No deucing during ducks. Because if you're not on the stream, you miss out. Raul, you here? I hope you're not deucing.
Someone already panicking in the crowd. Stop too close, yeah, that ain't wise. Marie sitting comfy while the weekends cry. Chat moving fast, Marge say chill. Someone posting nonsense against their will. Cove reads a message, leans back slow.
Bruh, why would you even type that though?
Laughs a little, tries to refocus. Well, that just ruined mail for me, no hocus.
Oh, you know what I haven't played? Oh, I just clicked it off. Jeez. Oh, no. I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Yeah, he's here. He wasn't deucing. This is Marie's song. It's so good. It's like
with your long wicks, fake outs, take outs, stop outs, top outs,
Raul, it's okay if you were deucing and came running with your pants around your ankles. You made it here on time. That's all that matters.
Cause every time I think I got you figured out, you do something to me.
Yo, Reese!
And you, I loved you. And you got me.
Reese, you in the building?
Heart stuck. And you, I can't leave you. I loved you. And you got me. You got me. My heart stuck. And you, I can't leave you. Wicking me
Woo,
out
Reese!
again. You stopped me out and ran. Look at all the money I would have won, but you stopped me out again.
No deucing.
Out again. You stopped me out and ran. Look at all the money I would have won, but you stopped me out again. And you, I loved you. And you got me.
Uh-oh.
And you, my heart.
Who do we got?
You, I can't leave you. I loved you. I love you. You got
Uh-oh.
me.
Uh-oh. Who's gonna make the push? Mulatto!
I can't leave. I am going to trade gold now. I am going to trade gold now. I am leaving you for gold.
Leaving you for gold, NQ. Uh-oh. Mulatto. Yo, if you guys got any questions, now's the time to ask.
Heard you wanna know what I want. Ooh, boy, you're doing it right. If you wanna take me back home, boy, you better think twice. I can see the hunger in your eyes. Boy, you're doing it right. Doing it right. Doing it right. Ooh, you could be a devil in disguise.
We're gonna hit it with the best one. Still my favorite.
Yeah. M and Q to NQ.
Camel Toe Tuesday!
Balls. No luck.
I trade gold using fibs and bias, Chris. We won softball yesterday. Yeah.
Yeah. M and Q to NQ. Wake up early, screens glow blue. Coffee black, futures Q.
This is the one. Oh shit. Yo, if you're new here, subscribe below. Have some fun. Oh shit. Smashing that. Dude, who's gonna... Mulatto out in front. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Boom. My computer comes any minute now. Yo, my computer comes anytime between now and 5:30. Yo, today was good. Today was good. Alright, so here's the deal. I'm running out to go coach softball. And then I got to go to science night. And then I'm going to set up my new computer. I promise I will read my emails tonight. But I'm definitely going to be running out right now. But email me, Raul. We crushed it today. 95% of the trades were done live. If you guys want to watch these trades live, just come on the live stream. Bring a friend to hang out with if you want. Tell your buddies. Tell your next door neighbor. Tell your sister's hot friends to come on the stream. And yeah. That's pretty much it. Have some fun. Other than that, I will I think Sean's gonna stream Asia tonight, maybe at 8. Other than that, I will be back tomorrow in the morning. And that's pretty much it. Another great freaking day. Alright, I'm out. Yo. Not even gonna get into it for keeps. Oh, man. Try not to curse. Oh, at softball? I try my best. Oh. Alright, guys. I'm out. Peace!